Hello, and welcome to the fourth episode of Automation Hub. In the previous three episodes, we have seen how to submit and create an idea. Then we have seen how to create a process design document using task capture. And then we have gone ahead and in the previous video, we have completed the assessment. Now in this video, we are going to go ahead with the fourth step in the Automation Hub, where right now we're into awaiting qualification step. So we will be going ahead and completing a cost benefit analysis, which is a CBA analysis in Automation Hub. Today I have with me Shrippad. So let's get started. Over to you, Shrippad.
Thanks, Nisarg. So we updated the details during the launch assessment, and this is where we need to now go ahead and approve. Okay. Now, once it is approved, all right, we would now get an access to update cost benefit analysis. Okay. Now, this is how our last assessment was looking like. Okay. Now I will go ahead and update the cost benefit analysis. Right. So we're done with the entire stuff over here. So now I go to CBA analysis. Okay. And I click on edit. So as per the algorithm, it is easy. And for us also, this is like an easy process to be done. Now we intend to start this by August. Okay. So we would start this by 3rd of August. All right. Now analysis, we would just keep it 1 day. Okay. Solution design also, sorry, solution design also goes for 1 day. Development likely to be completed within 5 business days. Okay. So if we starting on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Tuesday, that's what I take it. And testing, I want to spend at least 2 days around it. And that's going to be my baseline. Is that good, Nisarg, or do you need anything? This is going to be there for easy. Okay, for all easy modes.
5 days are perfect.
Yeah. So this is where we have set the baseline. Perfect. Quickly, let's move on over here. Now, this is my baseline, and yes, this is the first process that we're going to start with. So it's going to be similar. There's no change. So 3rd of August, 4th of August, then this moves to 5th of August. This goes from 5th of August, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11th of August, and this goes to 12th of August. Yeah, so all good. Okay, now vendor, it's going to be now, so we haven't got a vendor. This is something, again, we don't have an option over here. Robot working hours per day is going to be, I think it's just going to be 16 hours per day. Okay, is what we are going to, oh sorry, this is per day. Huh? Per day we just need 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours, and robot working days for a year. I think that is we mentioned earlier also, it is 365 days, but to be clear with the holidays and everything, I'm just putting it as maximum 300 days. Yeah. Process volumetry. Okay. This is fine. Okay. Looks good because this is the volume that we got earlier. Okay. This is how it looks like. That's my timeline. Okay. And this is my baseline. All right. Baseline and actual and new estimate. I'm editing this because I need to go back. Okay. Now, once this is done, there are these volume splits. Now, this is human before automation and after automation. Okay. Now, this is going to be when the robot is deployed, estimated after automation, and final after automation. These are the estimates. So at this moment, this looks good. I don't need to override. I'm not getting into the cost factor. Okay, is because everybody would have a different view towards costing, so I don't want to get into that. Cost estimates, again, analysis, okay. Cost type, not selecting that, okay. Allocation, we would like to allocate 10%. Cycle time, assignment days, I think we're taking 1 day, and cost per day. This is in dollars. Okay. So Nisarg, I think we should, for sake perspective, uh,
But that field is grayed out. I think
yes,
it shouldn't be.
is because we haven't put the cost thing up. All right. So similar way, this is how it is going to be like. Okay, it's because we don't have this particular this particular thing that is selected, people cost type. Okay, so we're not getting into that. RPA software cost is also grayed out. Okay, but because we don't have the vendor and all that is selected over here, nor the license type selected over here. Okay. Other software cost is going to be the same. Okay. And these fields would get populated as and when we deploy it in our own enterprise, but the primary thing is having these numbers in place. Okay, the volume and the actual and the ease of implementation baselines also. All right, once this is in place, you can go ahead and save this. Once this is saved, baseline is 79% automation potential. You estimate this much. This is what the project plan is. All right. Once this is done, okay, we are good with the entire analysis. Over to you, Nisa.
Thank you so much, Shrippad. So this is wonderful. And we have completed cost benefit analysis within just quite a few minutes. And this is a wonderful process, which is as easy as you just have to select from the drop down. Now, as Shrippad has mentioned, for the enterprise edition, you would have access to all the other fields, which will be editing the other software cost and all these things. So you can go ahead and you can do that. Now we have completed our qualification phase and we have approved the qualification status where we have an easy baseline and ease of implementation also easy along with the project plan displayed in a diagram. So thank you so much for this knowledge, Shripad, and happy automation and see you guys in the next video. Thank you, Shripad.
Thank you.